Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing the all-new iPhone 17. Super excited to unbox this new phone. I don't think there really has been a redesign for the iPhone 17. There's definitely been a redesign for the Pros and the Pro Maxes. However, let's open this up and see what's going on. On the back of the box, it says iPhone 17. And then on the bottom, it says the 256 gigs and in the white color. Front of the box, we have the iPhone 17, two cameras, the speaker and the flashlight. On the sides of the box, it says iPhone. And then on the top and the bottom of the box, it has the Apple logo. Let's go ahead and open up this iPhone. That was the weirdest way I could have opened that box. Okay, so the inside of the top of the box has an indent for the camera to sit inside. And let's put this away. Let's take the iPhone out of here. All right, so inside the box, we have our cable, and this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. This is all we have. Okay, this one was definitely underwhelming. Okay, Apple, when are we getting rid of the cable and when are we getting rid of the iPhone so that like when we open this, it's like it doesn't exist. It's like invisible. Because what in the world? Like this is all we get? Okay, I'm convinced that next year we're not even gonna get these two and we're just gonna get the iPhone with like an upped price. We're slowly getting rid of everything in the box. Over on the left side of the phone, we have the volume up and down button. We have the silent switch. We have an antenna band up here and an antenna band down here. On the bottom, we have our USB-C port with the two screws and then the speaker as well as the microphone. Okay, I don't know why the action button is like kind of inside. Or maybe not, I think that's just me. And that, no, do you see that? I feel like it's inside. Is it not supposed to be like, I don't know. Anyways, and then we have our power button with another two antenna bands, and then the top we just have one antenna band. On the back side, we have our two cameras, and then our speaker, I think, and then the flash. And on the front, we have this little screen protector that keeps it safe during like travel and stuff like that we're gonna take off. We have the silent switch that says on here, the volume up, the volume down, and then a lightning symbol and action button and power button. And while we're turning this on, I did also get a phone case, so let's unbox that as well. I'm trying to figure out which one exactly I got for the 17. It doesn't really say on here. One of them is for the Pro and one of them is for the Pro Max. This is the Pro Max one. And then these two are either 17 or the 17 Pro. Okay, well, we're gonna have to open both of them and see what's going on. Really? Let's open this. Well, I was not supposed to unbox both of these cases in this video, so clearly fate wants me to do that. Okay, well, that is not the right case for this one. That is for the Pro. Okay, I really don't like that, JTech. I really wish you guys would have, you know, labeled it. And here is the phone case itself. I got a clear one. I don't remember how much this was, but it was definitely under 20. And I was saying in my last video how I literally prefer any other Amazon case except the Apple. Apple just overcharges for their cases and they're not even that good of a quality in my opinion. But I got this one. And inside it's kind of like scratchy. And then on the outside it's glossy. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Okay, that looks really nice. I like how the flash has also a place. All right, let's set up this iPhone. English, Canada, default medium large. I'm gonna go with default. Quickly set up iPhone. We're gonna set up without another device. And let me just log into my Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. I don't know why my camera is not focusing today. Okay, we're doing the same thing again. So I unboxed the iPhone Air recently, like just before this video. And again, it told me to do a software update to fix bugs. Which is crazy because, again, like I said in my other video, like, it's a brand new phone. Shouldn't these things be finished? Face ID, let's set it up now. And I was also saying that before you would do this Face ID thing twice, so you would do it once, then you'd click next, and then you'd do the second one, which I found even better because I feel like anytime you would actually put your face to the phone, it would open. But now it's like if I ever have like makeup on and then I take off my makeup and I try to unlock my phone, it just doesn't work. I mean, it's not like I wore that much makeup either, or like even if I just wear hair extensions, I feel like it just doesn't know me enough to unlock my phone. Face ID is now set up and create an iPhone password. we're just gonna do ones. Obviously don't use this for your actual phone. This is just for the sake of the video. We're just gonna do ones. And then we're not gonna transfer anything. We don't have an account for now. We're gonna set up later in settings. Terms and conditions, we're gonna agree, obviously, because we can't use the phone if we don't. And then update your iPhone automatically. Okay, continue. iMessage and FaceTime, continue. Location services, set up later. Now we don't even have like a SIM tray, so we only can do eSIM. So we're gonna set up later, skip. And then screen time, we're gonna continue later. iPhone analytics, we're not gonna share. Lighter dark display, I personally prefer the auto, so that when it's dark outside, it'll be like a dark and then light and light. Just really depends on my mood. And then Apple Intelligence, we'll set up later. Camera control, we'll turn that on and then we'll continue. Action button, ooh, I love when the action button is a camera. It makes things so easy. We're gonna set up Siri now.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun. The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Okay, I'm gonna do voice number 2. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. How do you not get that? Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Emergency SOS, continue. I feel like I'm really mad throughout this whole video just because of like not getting anything in the box except the charger and like this card that says like it's eSIM. I mean, I feel like a lot of people would also be pretty upset. Like you're not even getting a sticker that can be produced for like a couple of cents. Personally, me, I would have like a whole collection of stickers and I'm glad I still have my collection. Welcome and get started. Stay tuned because I will also be doing a camera test on this iPhone and I'll be also doing a night mode test. So stay tuned for those videos. And here is the iPhone. What do you guys think about this iPhone? And are you also as upset as me for getting even fewer things? And what do you think we're gonna get in the box next year? Because in my opinion, I feel like we're slowly getting rid of everything and eventually we're even gonna get rid of the phone. Or the phone's not even gonna come in a box. I wouldn't even be surprised if they put it in an Amazon package next time. I just find it frustrating because there's so many smaller companies that don't make as much as Apple and they package their things very precisely and making sure that the customer is satisfied. And I feel like we're really not getting that with Apple anymore as much as we used to. Considering, you know, they're a big company, they make a lot of profit, and it's not a big thing that we're asking for. Considering we can't even charge a phone without an adapter unless we have like a MacBook or if we have, you know, some sort of USB-C port to plug it in. So I feel like if it's necessary for the iPhone, it should be in the box. Okay, and now that I'm done with my ranting, let's finish off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos and check out all of my other unboxings. They'll all be on my channel and in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.